Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Charleswood is a residential neighborhood on the southwestern edge of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Known for its quiet atmosphere and natural surroundings, Charleswood stands out for its low-density layout, larger lots, and tree-lined streets. It offers a different pace compared to the more built-up parts of the city, with a setting that feels closer to the countryside than the urban core. Charleswood began as a rural municipality in the early 20th century, developing gradually as Winnipeg expanded outward. It remained a separate community for decades, with its own local government and identity, before being incorporated into Winnipeg in 1972. Even after amalgamation, it kept much of its original character, shaped by its history as a semi-rural area. The neighborhood is known for its strong connection to nature. One of its most important features is the nearby Assiniboine Forest, a large, protected natural area that provides walking trails and wildlife habitat. This forest is one of the largest urban nature reserves in Canada, and it plays a major role in defining the landscape and lifestyle of Charleswood. The Assiniboine River runs along the edge of the neighborhood, adding to its scenic environment. The river valley includes wooded areas and open spaces that are used for walking, cycling, and seasonal activities. It also shapes the terrain, giving parts of Charleswood gentle elevation changes that are less common in other areas of Winnipeg. Charleswood's development has been gradual and varied. Many homes were built in the mid-20th century, while newer subdivisions have been added over time. Properties here are often larger than in central Winnipeg, and the area includes a mix of single-family homes, townhouses, and some newer residential developments. This mix reflects the neighborhood's steady growth over several decades. Seasonal changes are a defining part of life in Charleswood. In summer, the area is green and active, with people using trails and parks. In autumn, the tree cover creates noticeable fall colors. Winter brings snow and cold temperatures, but also activities like cross-country skiing and walking in the forested areas. Spring marks a return to milder weather and renewed activity outdoors. Overall, Charleswood offers a quieter, more spacious environment within the boundaries of a major city. Its combination of history, natural surroundings, and steady residential growth makes it one of Winnipeg's most distinct neighborhoods, appealing to those looking for a balance between urban access and a more relaxed setting. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighborhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial center. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Thanks for watching!